Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a computer. First, gather your printer, computer, and all relevant cables, such as a USB cable or an Ethernet cable. Place your printer on a stable surface, ensuring it is within reach of a power outlet and your computer. Make certain both your printer and computer are powered off before you begin any physical connections to ensure safety and prevent potential issues during setup. This initial preparation will make the connection process much smoother. Now, let us make the physical connection between your printer and computer. For a direct USB connection, simply insert the appropriate USB cable into the corresponding ports on both devices. If you are setting up a network printer, use an Ethernet cable to connect it to an available port on your wireless router. Many modern printers also offer Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for a completely wireless setup. Consult your printer's user guide for detailed instructions on configuring a wireless connection, which often involves a quick setup wizard. With your printer physically connected and powered on, it is time to install the necessary software drivers. Often, your computer's operating system will automatically recognize the new hardware and begin installing generic drivers. However, for full functionality, it is always best to download the latest drivers directly from your printer manufacturer's website. Locate your specific printer model on their support page, then download and run the installer, following the step-by-step instructions. This ensures your printer operates at its peak performance. Finally, let us confirm everything is working correctly by printing a test page. From your computer, open a document and select Print, then choose your newly installed printer. If the test page prints successfully, your setup is complete, and you might want to set this as your default printer. If you encounter issues, first verify that all cables are securely connected. Then, double-check that the correct drivers are installed. A simple restart of both your computer and the printer can often resolve minor communication problems, getting you printing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.